Hello everyone, I Shweta Gandhi from the Department of Pharmacognosy, LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are going to learn about the relevance of pharmacognosy subject in B Pharmacy. Before understanding the scope and importance of the subject, let us clear how the herbal market acts globally. As the herbal medicines are popularly active and among the modern consumers. According to WHO, 60 to 70% of people rely on herbal medicines for their treatment. The global herbal medicine capture annual growth rate of, as per the data shows, 5.8% and will continue to rise up to 1,29,693 million till 2023. Now, how the herbal drug industries act for the herbal drug technology. These are the listed some herbal drug industry which are doing very good work in the field of herbal drug technology and novel drug delivery system. The companies listed are Dabur, Hamdard, Zandu, Himalaya, Patanjali Ayurved. These are some of the products from the different companies which are involving in the herbal drug technology and which are moving towards the herbal research are Cipla, Cadila, Himalaya and Patanjali Ayurved, many more too. Now, come to the another aspects of the subject pharmacognosy. Basically in the subject pharmacognosy, you need to study about the isolation of phytoconstituents, industrial production, about the study formulation development and the clinical studies. Next comes the various segments of the pharmacognosy. In the various segment, you need to study about the different evaluation aspect, isolation aspect. In estimation, you will study about the analytical technique and final after the development of the formulation can go for the clinical studies. Now, comes to the Indian traditional medicine system. Indian traditional medicine system involves standardization of the drug, also involves the pharmacokinetic studies, pharmacodynamic studies. Another sector which is play an important role in this is drug regulatory affair and the patent and their role in the herbal. Next come the herbal medicine segments. The herbal medicine segments is divided into different fields like herbal cosmetics, molecular pharmacognosy, nutraceuticals. Let's discuss one by one. What are nutraceutical? Nutraceutical comes from the two words. One is nourishing nutrient and another is the pharmaceutical. Nourishing nutrient and the pharma drug combine to form a nutraceuticals. These are the dietary supplements which help in the prevention of the diseases. These nutraceuticals have the different segments in which the prebiotics and probiotics play a major role. The prebiotic means they can improve the digestion and the probiotics increase the positive growth of the bacteria. Next comes the herbal formulations. These herbal formulations are very much important in the field as they involve in the rapid growth of the market that are the herbal medicine that are available in the market. Different types of herbal medicines are available like capsule, granule, effervescent granules are available, tablets, then solid dispersions, nanoparticle, novel drug delivery systems like phytosomes, isolated phytoconstituent, liposome, neosomes and ethosomes. Comes to the molecular pharmacognosy deals with the gene manipulation of the drug and which involves with the method like DNA sequencing and the DNA signaling. That comes the transformation. The transformation of the herbal is very much important as they lead to health security, which is a very important factor, economy of the world, and next comes after health security, economy, and then it is also help in the employment. It will give the employment to all over the world. Then comes the different herbal segments like herbal medicines works in different segments like dietary supplements, nutraceutical, herbal drugs, pharmaceuticals, vitamins. These all play a very wide role in the herbal drug. So, in the end, I can conclude that herbal drug technology plays a unique and a strategic role in the investment opportunity and which help in the rapid growth. Thank you for the patient listening and for your precious time. Hope you all got an introductory idea about the subject pharmacognosy and you can understand it well. Thank you from Ms. Shweta Gandhi and from Ms. Priya Shah from the Department of Pharmacognosy.